Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'm gonna make salsa. So for ingredients, let's check down below. So for ingredients, very simple. We need 3 tomatoes, 2 jalapeno. If you don't like spicy, you can completely skip this or change to bell pepper, let's say. But I like it jalapeno, give a little kick. A quarter of red onions, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. You need the juice from 2 limes, cilantro, and then for seasoning a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. So now let's get to it. So it's a very simple recipe. You just want to char all of the ingredients: jalapeno, red onion, and garlic. Put it on a broil. And I know we put it for 30 minutes, but you know, every 5 minutes you check it. If you see there is a grill spot, you just turn it around. So every 5 minutes, just double check it, please. Okay, so when everything is charred like this, now you want to blitz them. You're going to use food processor. If you have mortar or pestle, you can use mortar or pestle. If you want to use blender, you can use blender, but I want to just roughly slice them pretty much. So I'm going to use my chop processor. I'm going to pulse it for a couple of times and we're going to see how it goes. For the jalapeno, just take out the stem. So now we're going to pulse it. Done. We're gonna give it a try. It's nice. I'm gonna transfer it to a bowl and I'm gonna season it. After I transfer it to a bowl, I'm gonna put juice from the lime. I use 1 lime first. Salt. Pepper. Mix them up. Give it a try. It's very nice. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt and pepper. So in the end, I'm just gonna use juice from 1 lime. And now I'm just gonna drizzle or put the cilantro and a little bit of raw white onion. So there you go, guys. This is the final version or the result of the salsa. It's very simple, very nice. I like the flavor. You can use for eating with tortilla chips or even just the regular tortilla if you want to make tacos. This is perfect. Okay guys, so that's it for our today's video. If you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.